Hey, hello. It's a beautiful evening. Not evening, sorry. It's a beautiful morning here in Kakamega County, and already we're in the Shamba. This is my day 3 or maybe 6, 7 in Kakamega. So I'm actually here to get some napier grass for the goats and sheep and also the cows. So within a few minutes from now, I'll be heading back to the other side of the Shamba just to look for some napier grass for the livestock at home. But anyway, in this place, like, everything is cool. Like, you can hear the birds chirping. I mean, different kinds of birds and different kinds of chirping, different sounds. It's so beautiful. Like, it's like a heaven. Okay, it's like a heaven because just here, that's a wild dove. That sound is for a wild dove. Yeah. Anyway, Kakamega is beautiful. Personally, I'll say Kakamega is beautiful. That's why I dub myself like Kijana Kakamega. And as you can see me this way, I'm in farm attire. This jacket, this kofia, and it's a beautiful thing. I mean, this cup is branded Best, one of the finest alcohol that I've ever taken, because I mean, Best dry gin is sweet. It is nice. Another thing, like I was telling you guys, I mean, this place has no proper alcohol. Wasi huku wanakunywa busa sana, unaona. Huku Kakamega, people are drinking a lot of busa. They are not taking in like this sort of alcohol. I mean, this soft alcohol. So like when I was coming to Kakamega, I was smart enough, I mean, to get myself good alcohol, because I mean, I'm not so used to busa and changam, and it's crazy. I tasted it juicy, and I felt like I had a heartburn for like 10 hours. Heartburn. I mean, you can imagine that kind of alcohol. So when I was coming, I bought a mzinga of Captain Morgan. So me wake up kidogo napiga, because I mean, this place it's nice, but now the infrastructure and maybe the goods around here are not like better goods, or maybe in better quality. I mean, precisely, like if you look at even the alcohol from this place, most of them are smuggled from our neighboring county here, Bungoma, which is actually close to Uganda. So like they are very, very toxic alcohol. I mean, they have very high toxic levels. That's why you find like I'll rather like buy this one and actually have it for maybe a month or two. So here I can actually just say maybe the roads and infrastructure, and there's a coaching, and the goods here are not of the best quality, I can say, maybe. But any other thing, like the environment here is beautiful, cinematic. I mean, if you can actually just zoom in kidogo na mai, everything here is cinematic, and I just love it. Let me switch the camera kidogo so that you can observe what I'm talking about. Okay, like this area is this is beautiful. It's really beautiful. I love it. It's actually 10 in the morning right now. As you can see, like the trees are swimming side to side, singing. I mean, when they do this way, they're dancing and singing. So like, just kick by. I'll be showing you more vlogs. I'll be showing you around Kakamega. I'll be showing you around my shamba, around our roads here, shops here, malls. There's a mall like 2 kilometers away. I'll be taking you there also, so that we can experience the shopping from that place. But I mean, for now, still in the village, still checking out this area, still having fun, still enjoying the views here and there. I mean, I love them because let me stand. Actually, I'm in my farm at if you can check me out. So the view here is nice, beautiful. Well, I'm vlogging on my Samsung device, so the camera quality is actually pleasing. So I don't think you'll find problems maybe seeing the quality, because I mean this area, I mean, looks beautiful. This is beautiful. And this is now the shamba, okay? This is the shamba, like right now this is the shamba. But I'll take you through shops here, roads, I mean friends too. I'll be meeting also my friends. We'll check them out and we'll have fun. So I mean, just stick by. I'll be taking you through a lot. Just stick by, okay? Just stick by. Let me relax here. Just stick by. I'll be taking you through a lot. And yeah, I'm sure you love it, because I love it. So this is about Adequizzer, Kijana Kakamega original, and this is my second week in Kakamega. Actually made a lot of vlogs, but zilipotea. Some kids deleted them, but everything is fine. I'm new. I mean, I'm back with this one, so you can still roll by. So see you next, man. Subscribe, share this video. I mean, if you really like Western Kenya, just share this video and share to those enthusiasts who love like Western Kenya, maybe who want to learn about Western Kenya. So like, share this video, comment, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Adequizzer and Facebook at Adequizzer. And more precisely, follow me on Twitter at Adequizzer. I make a lot of stories there, so stories about Kakamega County, stories about here and then Kakamega. So like, make sure you check it out. See you next. It's about Adequizzer.